Today, we are attending CISW Top Summit Conference 2023, which is the second conference after we have held this similar conference last year. Dr. Peter is very famous as a naturopathy that using something from nature to heal people. So maybe, Peter, can you give the idea to the audience that how can yourself under Plant Camera Company can support wellness in the state of Thailand?
As Dr. Kampon already mentioned, Thailand is the heart, for me, is the heart of wellness and spa in the world. And of course, we need in the future more innovation and more creativity in development product. But we also have to see that our products, for us as human beings, which create by nature, have to use more natural-based products. In this case, we can use special. We are not. I'm not saying technology, but we are using the word bioscience to combine biological-based active substance from different sources, different plants, combining with the technology of genetic plant chimera to creating fantastic new product for the future. Product which can support the health and the happiness of people in a very different level of life quality. And I think that's why I love the job, what I'm doing, and where we can support especially Thailand as the heart of wellness and spa development. We are starting here, and we can send that message later on all over the world. Thank you so much.
Thailand is moving ahead for cannabis and CBD industry. So how could your plant camera method can make the product more effective, safer?
As we know that CBD and cannabis is since a couple of years legally in action. I say especially in action. But the knowledge about what stays behind shows many difference. It needs more proof of concepts. Number one is we know, especially in many diseases where people say, why CBD and THC not can go to the sources where the problem of health is. For example, by cancer cells in the blood. CBD and THC cannot reach the sources in a full amount. So they need partner, a carrier. We don't want to use synthetic or chemical-based transporter. We want to use the same as CBD is, nature-based. We want to use nature-based carrier. From my side, I developed a nature-based carrier out of caffeine. The combination caffeine and cannabis can create such a fantastic product. On one side, with the genetic plant chimera technology, we can modify the active substance in this way that we are creating a carrier with the substance inside who can transport the full medicine to the sources of health problem. Number one, we can kill cancer cell. Number two, we can fighting Parkinson and epilepsy, Alzheimer, diabetes 2, or even diabetes, glaucoma for the eyes. But also, when we are looking further in there, it is not just the flower of cannabis, even the root system has so much high medical ingredients like fridolin protecting the liver, ipofritolanol shrinking tumors or stop tumor growth, and other one which is finally antioxidant and can clean our whole blood system and keep it young. And this is even also key. And this one creates prevention medicine. The future is not there that we are always healing. We want to prevent that anybody get that disease. And this one is, we have to do our homework to develop product which really comes to 100% nature. We are not doing genetic modification. We are doing collaboration between each genetics. And I think that is the key to the success. And I'm very happy that we can start this development in Thailand, which brings even Thailand to the top level of medical development. Thank you.
What would you see how plant camera technology can provide some wellness treatment or product for Thailand?
Yeah. Especially for the market for wellness spa, also rehabilitation and well-being in definitely. The world are looking majorly in 3 categories: skincare, weight loss, and hair growing or keeping. In this case, we have different plants. We analyze the plant anatomy, and each of the plant have different DNA. And here is that we are not mixing DNA. Even with the genetic plant chimera, we can create what we are calling parallel DNA development to combine active substances and harvesting them out of the nature-based creation to create products for the future what the world never have seen before. And this is the future. We don't need synthetics, we don't need chemical products. Human body is nature, we have to treat them with nature. And I think that is the future. Even in the section, wellness and spa, we're combining medical component with fantastic aroma and with other substances. And even this one, there is maybe so many science and so much to discover, which we even today not even thinking about. And this one has a future. And I can really appreciate if the world looking for us, what we are doing to get that finger up and say, yes, that's the future.
We have discussed a bit on select one of the herbs to develop using plant chimera technology.
Yeah.
And one of the products is called aloe vera.
Yeah.
So Peter,
Yeah.
can you explain to the audience what is aloe vera and how can make such a wonderful product out of this herb?
Aloe vera is a plant which in the world well known. It already creates cosmetic, even food worldwide. But when you're looking deeper into it, it can create much more. What we are doing is that we are taking different plants and planting these plants into the leaves of aloe vera. The aloe vera is fleshy and juicy and has all the vitamin. For example, aloe vera is the only plants which even can create vitamin B12, which normally only comes from animals. So here's the part, because the product for wellness and spa, aloe vera creates the medical component with a lot of vitamin, with a lot of minerals, and even biological chemicals. When we are combining with cannabis, we can combine, we can integrate CBD, THC in a product. Or we're taking flowers like roses, which there has the most component is aroma and perfume. So it means the medicine can at the same time also a freshness of smelling, healing, etc. So such a program can help, to example, especially in the skincare, not just giving skin treatment or whatever. No, we want to be thinking about keeping product for long-term support in skincare, not just feeling well for 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours. So it means the product have much more benefit.
I think we will need to spend more time together to discuss further about this plant chimera technology.
Yeah.
So in the near future, we will hold conference.
Yeah.
And I would like to invite some potential partner to join in order for discussion about collaborative method.
Okay.
As well as if any group would like to help to distribute,
Yep.
they can come and contact our company.
Okay.
You have any message to give it to them today?
My message, what I want to give here is think smart, invest in the right technology. We are not talking a temporary solution. We want to have a long-term solution. And this is in the interest of human being, of human well-being, health, and life quality. This is the only message I can say. If you want to invest, we know this is the greatest future for everybody who want to put his investment in a very intelligent business. Thank you.